Okay, so I made a little thing that I missed, and it's over here on the, sorry, wrong area, on the toggle tracking. Over here, you first have to make the face tracking. You need to start it so I can actually capture your movements. The same thing goes to lip sync. You need to start as well. And for body operation, it goes the same thing. Now you'll be seeing the actual movements. And as you can actually see, wait, before, I made a little bit of a mistake in the actual settings. It's actually pretty simple, the little issue. You just have to go over here, in the settings. Oh, right now, yeah. Toggle tracking. And just make sure that you have lip sync and body operation, all of them starting. Don't actually stop it, because it won't actually be recording none of this. For some reason, it's actually recording a few other things. That didn't actually got it. But anywho, it's actually pretty accurate. It's not actually perfection, but it's something. So he's actually hearing something else. Anyway, if you actually have all those settings on, you can actually be recording. The software is actually recording every single movement. And it's from the hips above, the upper torso. That will be recording everything. Why is she turning that basic? God, this nigga is gonna snap her neck like that. Anywho. So that's the little thing that I missed before. And one thing to be sure is that make sure you don't have anything covering your face. Because as you kind of seen, if you put something above them, correction, at their face, it behaves like a massive obstacle. And for some reason, it does that. Just put your hand like covering your face and actually the text like it's turning to the right side. Right now I'm looking directly at the camera and I don't know why you're doing that. There we go. So the issues are weird, but minor. But besides of that, it's actually nothing. You just have to learn how it balances itself. And you just, if you have the mirror option, it will actually be doing that. So the posture and where are you exactly looking is gonna be affecting a lot. Oh, I thought you froze for a second. But anywho, I'll just be giving you this something. And like as mentioned before, if you like my video, you can press like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bar for further videos or anything that needs to be updated. And I'll be seeing you